Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a house that was recently reduced in price. It is nestled in a highly sought after area known as College View Avenue. This 5-bedroom, 4-bathroom property offers unparalleled convenience as it is in proximity to the Northern Caribbean University. With this, you can enjoy seamless access to academic pursuits, making this residence ideal for families. Just minutes away, the vibrant town of Mandeville beckons, offering a plethora of stores, banks, and dining options. Embrace the bustling commercial hub's charm while having essential amenities like hospitals within reach. This house sits on a little over quarter acre and has floor space of approximately 4,000 square feet. Make an appointment to view this house today. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end.
Can't